In this video, I'm going to show you how I made more than $9,000 in the last 28 days with this music channel. Basically, it's a music channel that I'm doing with AI, and in the last 28 days, I made more than $9,000. As you can see, I've been generating up to almost $800 in a day. And I've also had $700 days and even almost $800 days just with this channel with videos that I literally make in 15 minutes with AI, because this channel is AI made music. So it's something really easy that anyone can do. In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can copy my channel, which is generating $9,000 a month. And not just my channel, because this is also the channel I drew inspiration from, which has been active for more than 11 months. And I've been analyzing it for a long time. And I've never had demonetization problems or anything, so this niche is safe. Also, I monetized my channel about 2 months ago, or about 2 or 3 months ago, and YouTube had already introduced the new inauthentic content policy, and I was still able to monetize this channel because in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to do it. All right, as you can see, this channel that I drew inspiration from to create my own channel, well, this channel, his most popular videos have 800,000, even 500,000 views. And basically it's music on loop. I mean, what he does is download 20 songs made with AI and he puts them on loop throughout his videos. And that's it. It has a good style. And that's basically what he does. And with this video, for example, with 800,000 views, since it's an hour and a half video, well, it will have generated more than $5,000, even more than $10,000. Because if you pay attention, on my channel, I have an RPM of $6 or $7, but I make 59-minute videos. So with an hour and a half video or a 2.5 hour one, well, it's gonna have a higher RPM of $10 or $12. So with almost one video, he generated $10,000 with a video he made in 20 minutes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to copy this channel and how you're going to be able to copy my channel. All right, the first thing I'm going to give you is a folder where you're basically going to have the prompts and the tools you're going to need. And I'm also going to give you other tools to generate the music and everything, all completely for free. All right, so the first step, we're going to start with the thumbnail, then we're going to do the music. For the thumbnail, you're going to have Gemini here, and it's going to be something really easy. I mean, you're going to have to download this folder, all right, which you're going to have in the description of this video. In the description of this video, you're going to have a link to Drive, and there you're going to have this folder. So once you have this folder downloaded and extracted on your computer, the next step is really easy. You're just going to have to open this other folder, which is Images for Gemini. And the only thing you're going to have to do is select these 3 images, this prompt, basically select everything. And the only thing you're going to have to do is drag it to Gemini. You drag it to Gemini, and that's it. After that, you don't have to do anything else. You send it and done. Now, Gemini is going to start analyzing the prompt and is going to start analyzing the images. All right? And everything is basically already specified in the prompt. You're not going to have to do anything. You're just going to have to upload these 3 images along with the prompt. All right? Here, as you can see, it has already generated the thumbnail. Remember that if it takes too long or it doesn't generate the thumbnail, make sure to activate the image creation mode. All right, this is, as you can see, the thumbnail is perfect because the prompt is optimized. Everything is the prompt I use, and it's basically the style that I and the other channel are using. So this is really easy. I mean, you already have the thumbnail with one click. Now, the only thing you have to do is download the thumbnail. And here you have the thumbnail downloaded. Then, if you want to remove this Gemini watermark, for that you search on Google, remove Gemini watermark. And here, any page is going to work to remove the Gemini watermark. Then you upload the thumbnail, and that's it. The watermark is going to be removed. Then you can download the thumbnail, and you're going to have the thumbnail without the watermark. As you can see, it's a perfect thumbnail that for our video is really good. It follows the exact style we want. All right, now the next step is to generate the music, and we're gonna generate several songs. So for that, you're gonna go to this website called Suno, which is to create music with AI. You're gonna have in the description of this video all the websites I'm using. You're gonna have the folder, and you're also gonna have the websites I'm using right now. All right, here, basically, we're gonna have to tell it what style of music we want. What I want right now is classical music. What we want is classical music. So you can literally literally put classical music. You click create. All right, make sure you're in simple mode. You click create, and basically it's gonna create 2 classical pieces. If you want it to create more, to keep creating more, you tell it to create again. You click create again, and it's gonna create songs the whole time. You click again. Basically, I recommend downloading about 10 or 15 songs. You don't have to pay for this website. It's a free website. If you run out of credits, you can switch accounts, and that's it. So you generate songs for a video of about an hour. Later, we can also duplicate them, so don't worry, all right? When they've been downloaded, when all the songs are done being generated, then you're gonna be able to download them all. Basically, you download them. That's it, download the songs, and keep downloading them. With 30 or 40 minutes downloaded, that's already enough. Now we already have all the songs downloaded, so we have the thumbnail, we have the songs. Now the next step is really easy. If you analyze this channel, well, what he does is put images of cities and of elegant places. That's what this channel does, if you pay attention. Before, he used to just put static images, but this probably brought problems to the channel since putting those static images is never recommended. So he changed it, and now he's putting images of places. So you can do the same thing. You can put static images. You have 2 options. Either put the static images that he puts or put photos of places. If you want to put photos of places, these are stock videos. What you're going to do for that is copy the link of the video, copy the link of a video that has this type of footage. Then you're going to go to the folder, and here you're going to run this program, which is to download the clips. You run the program. In my case, I already have it downloaded. So I already have it downloaded. I'm just going to open it. I think this is for Windows. If you have a MacBook, you can search on Google for a similar website, and that's it. Then here you paste the link. The only thing you have to do is click here. You have to have the link copied. You click here and you paste it. Sometimes the website gives an error. So if the website gives an error, you use any YouTube website. I recommend this one, which is the one that works really well for me. Here, you download at maximum quality, and that's it. Then the video is going to download. You're only going to have to download 1 video, and that's going to be enough. Another thing you can also do is make 1 video with images and another video with footage of cities and all that. Here, you're going to download it, and it's going to start downloading. When the video downloads, you just go to CapCut, and the only thing you're going to have to do is upload the video you just downloaded with all the footage. I recommend that you download a 50-minute video or a 2-hour video, and then you're also going to upload the songs you just downloaded. You're going to upload all the songs. You upload the songs, you drag them to the project, and you duplicate them once. You duplicate them once, and that's it. Then you remove the audio from the original video. You apply some things, some crops. That's it. Verify that there are no images in the middle. If there are images in the middle, remove them. Images from the original video, apply that. But you remove them, and that's it. Then you cut the video until it fits all the way to the end, and that's it. Here we already have a 41-minute video with the music. Then you can also add effects, some podcast effect, or some CapCut effect that you like if you want to make it elegant. If you want to make the video elegant, you can add something if you want. You can also do it with the other option, which was putting static images like the channel I showed you before did. On my channel right now, I'm making one video with footage and one video with static images. I recommend that you try to put an effect like a music one, like on Spotify or something like that. The effect that Spotify has that you try to put it to, that could look good. That's basically how I made more than $9,000 in the last 28 days with this faceless channel. It's not that mysterious. Obviously, there are much more advanced strategies that are really very important to have a successful channel. Really, creating content is 30%. You have to have the knowledge too. That's why you always have to be learning about this business. So that's basically what I did to make more than $9,000 in the last 28 days. I think they've been the 9,000 easiest dollars of my whole life. The best part is that every day I keep generating money. For example, yesterday I generated $250 and 3 days ago $292. This still isn't updated. As you can see, today is the 22nd and they only put the statistics up to the 22nd because, as you already know, YouTube has a 2-day delay. But, well, you can already see that with 49,000 views. I generated $243 with videos of about 40 minutes. It's a pretty good RPM. If you make 2-hour videos, you're going to make a lot more. But the longer the video is, the more you risk. Because if you make a 7-hour video, you risk more that YouTube detects you. But with a 40-minute video, I usually don't stress about it much.